Friends of a Hamilton County Corrections officer in legal trouble coming to his aid.
Walker County, Georgia deputies arrested Corrections Officer Timothy Smith Jr. on 3 serious charges. It's an incident that happened behind his house in Walker County back on January 25th. John Madewell joins us now live from the Hamilton County Jail where Smith worked. John, where does this case stand right now?
Well, Josh and Kim, Hamilton County Corrections Officer Timothy Smith Jr. is not earning a paycheck from the Hamilton County Jail right now. He has been on suspension without pay since sometime in February. Now, as we mentioned, friends and family are coming together to help him out financially. Now, back in January, Walker County deputies arrested him on charges of impersonating a police officer, false imprisonment, and aiming or pointing a gun at another person. Well, tonight, for the first time, we are hearing from the reported victim in this case.
And I was just sitting in the passenger seat, and I hear him yell, "Sheriff's Department, get on the ground." So I turned around and got out, and he put me on the ground.
Lee Long Jr. took us back to this abandoned lot in Walker County. It's right on the Catoosa-Walker line. Catoosa first responded, and the incident report says someone was screaming, "If you move, I'll shoot you." Hamilton County Corrections Officer Timothy Smith Jr. lives on the other side of this vacant lot. In the report, he says he has grown tired of people doing dope and dropping stolen vehicles off at this vacant lot behind his home. According to the report, Smith says he came through the weeds and drew his weapon and identified himself as the Sheriff's Department and told the two males to get on the ground.
I was scared to death. He was shaking, and I didn't know if I was going to get hurt by accident.
Long says he ended up here after his buddy Stan, with an unknown last name, picked him up when his car broke down nearby. They went to a store and he bought a lottery ticket, while Stan pulled in here to clean the film off of his window. That's the same thing he told Walker County deputies. Now, Long and Smith's account both say the corrections officer pointed the gun in the passenger side and said, "Stop or I'll shoot you." Stan sped away. The report and Long both say Smith then came over and cuffed him.
I think it's wrong. I think they got too much authority. If they carry that badge or something that makes them think they're above the law.
The Catoosa responding deputy told the Walker deputy that Smith had been warned before about holding people at gunpoint. Another Walker deputy said he had been warned as well. We found Smith at home. He stepped outside and told us because it's an ongoing investigation, he could not make any comments. Tonight, there is a GoFundMe page to help Smith pay for his bills, and the International Brotherhood of Police Officers is behind him. They provided an attorney, but she declined to comment. Now, interesting side note in this story, Corrections Officer Smith said that he was growing tired of stolen vehicles ending up on that abandoned property. Well, the reported victim in this case, Lee Long Jr., told us that he later found out the SUV he was riding in as a passenger was stolen, but he did not know that at the time. Now, that was not in the incident report, and we could not verify that. But meanwhile, we did check on the Walker County Superior Court Clerk's website, and we could not find Timothy Lewis Smith Jr.'s name on there, indicating when his court case may be. But as soon as we find out, we will certainly let you know. Reporting live for News Channel 9, I'm John Madewell. Now back to you.
John, thank you, sir. The reported victim in this case also tells us he filled out a victim form provided to him, but has not heard of any date of a court case at this time. An internal affairs investigation has also happened.